Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baked buffalo chicken dip. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and your favorite buffalo wing sauce. Ensure your chicken is fully cooked and cooled, making it easier to shred. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth and flavorful dip, preparing you for the simple mixing process ahead. We'll combine everything in one dish. Now, let's combine everything for that irresistible flavor. Start by softening 8 ounces of cream cheese, which helps it blend smoothly. Then, add 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, along with 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce for that classic kick. Finally, stir in 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. Mix thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed and creamy, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. With your dip perfectly mixed, it's time for baking. Spread the creamy mixture evenly into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Next, generously top it with 1½ cups of shredded cheddar or mozzarella cheese, creating a delicious golden crust. Bake your dip in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, until it's bubbly around the edges and the cheese is melted and golden brown. Once baked to perfection, your buffalo chicken dip is ready to enjoy. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving, as this allows it to set slightly and prevents burns. Serve this warm, delicious dip with a variety of dippers like crisp celery sticks, crunchy carrot sticks, or your favorite tortilla chips. This recipe typically yields enough for 8 to 10 servings, perfect for sharing at any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.